Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block app permissions to access media in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down and in here tap on Media and Apple Music. At the top, tap on the app that you want to grant or to allow or to block access to media in Apple Music. So here, if you tap on the toggle button to switch it off, you are blocking this particular app to access media in Apple Music. If you want to allow photos to access to media in Apple Music, make sure the toggle button is turned on and the background is green. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.